Now, something that confuses almost everyone when learning about WordPress is that there are actually two versions, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. And not knowing the difference between these two can end up costing you a lot of money, and here's why. Usually, when people tell you that they have created their website using WordPress, they are referring to WordPress.org. WordPress.org is the website where you can download the open source software that you need to create a WordPress website. And you can download it completely for free. This is the software you can simply install on a server and start your WordPress website. WordPress.com, on the other hand, is essentially an all-in-one website building platform offering hosting, domain names, and their own themes. Now, using WordPress through WordPress.com is not free. They do have a free plan, but it's extremely limited and you'll have to publish your website on a WordPress.com subdomain. And to get access to the entire WordPress ecosystem with all of their themes and plugins, you'd have to at least upgrade to the creator plan at $40 per month or $300 per year. So on their starter and explorer plan, you don't even get access to free WordPress plugins and themes. In my opinion, this is absolutely insane. You shouldn't have to pay to get access to the WordPress ecosystem, which would otherwise be available to anyone for free. Unfortunately, many people don't know this, so they hear WordPress and then they just go to WordPress.com, sign up for a plan, and then they end up having to pay $40 per month to get access to the free ecosystem of WordPress. This is why I don't recommend to use WordPress.com to create a WordPress website. Instead, I recommend to choose a much more affordable hosting provider that allows you to install WordPress for free and gives you full access to the entire WordPress ecosystem with all the themes and plugins without forcing you to upgrade to an overpriced hosting plan. You'll find a good hosting provider that I personally use and recommend in the video description, where you can get WordPress hosting for as low as $3 per month, including full access to WordPress.